Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2013 Mazda CX-5, and this quick video I would like to show you how to replace and change your headlight bulbs in this car. So let's start. It's a very simple procedure. Everyone can do this, and you shouldn't be afraid to do it doing this on your own. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop the trunk, the hood, sorry. Raise it up. Move the ledge to the right, raise it up, find the stand, put the stand here somewhere. Okay, something wrong with this thing here. I'll put it here. Okay, there should be a special spot for it. Now, so look over here. I'll explain. So this is high beam, okay? This is low beam, and over here we have a turn signal, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you here so you could see better. Right here, as you can see, we have bulb. So this is a high beam, okay? So how do we remove the bulb from the housing? We spin it, pull it out like this. Okay, so remove the bulb, spin it, pull it out, and that's how we remove it. To get the bulb out, you have to disconnect it from connector. So I'm gonna try to put the camera so I could film it actually. Okay, so I hope you guys see it. So we have to disconnect this bulb from the connector. In order to do so, you might need a screwdriver to pull these pins here. Okay, like this. Don't force it, don't over force it, because you might break them. What's up? Okay, so it went out. As you can see, you have these plastic pins here. You have to move them aside a little bit, and then you'll be able to pull out the. So when you have a replacement bulb, put it back in. Okay, till it clicks, and slide it in. Smart. Get it in. Find the correct position. Press on it if you need to, and spin till it clicks a little bit, like this. Alright, so now when we know how to get out the high beam, pretty much. Alright, so I took a different camera. Here we go. So as you can see, the connector goes, you see those two wires, one is black, second one is brown or black, one is green. Now I'm gonna disconnect. What I'm doing here, I'm pressing on a pin. And removing the bulb. So I'm pressing on it and disconnecting the wire like this. Okay, so I got it out. So right here, I was actually pressing on this over here. There's a pin. Okay, you see where my finger ends? Now this is the thing you have to press. Okay, so you press on it and remove the connector. Press on it and remove. And once you removed it, you can actually get the bulb out. So now we just grab on the bulb, spin it, and take it out. Okay, so it's in like this. So we spin it. It's in like this. Spin it and pull it out. So now, when you have the replacement bulb H11, you'll have to put it back in and spin it like this to secure it. Okay, so we put it back in, spin it, and leave it there. Okay, and then we'll connect the connector. So I'm doing this right now. Trying to find the sweet spot, get it in and spin it. Okay, and now we just have to connect this connector with the bulb.